Alright folks, today I'm going to show you how to cook noodles like a pro. Whether you're whipping up a quick dinner or prepping for a big meal, these steps will have you mastering noodles in no time. First up, boil some water in a large pot. Make sure you've got enough to fully submerge your noodles. Now this part's optional but highly recommended. Add a pinch of salt to the water. It really brings out the flavor in the noodles. Next, grab your noodles and toss them in. Follow the cooking time on the package. It's usually spot on. Give them a good stir now and then to keep them from sticking together. Nobody likes a clump of noodles, right? While the noodles are doing their thing, grab a colander and get ready to drain. Once the noodles are cooked to perfection, carefully pour them into the colander to drain the water. Give them a quick shake to get rid of any excess water. And voila, your noodles are ready to go. Serve them up with your favorite sauce or seasoning, and you've got yourself a delicious meal. So there you have it. Cooking noodles like a pro is super simple and quick. Try it out and let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome cooking tips. See you next time.